Hello students, this video is for grade UKG. Let us start. We have three different parts in this sheet in which we will learn about the different subjects which are English, Maths and EVS. So let us start with our first subject which is of English. The question says, color the picture and write the ending sound of the letter in the given box below. In this, what you have to do is, you have to color this picture. First of all, आप क्या करेंगे? You'll color this picture. Okay, duck की picture draw है. इसको आप color करेंगे with the help of yellow color. Okay. With the help of yellow color, you will fill the color in the picture. And after that, in the box, you will write the last letter. Means the ending letter of the word duck. Duck क्या है? It is a bird. And what is the spelling of duck? Repeat with me. D U C K. Duck. D U C K. Duck. So the last letter of duck is K. You will write K in the box. Box में आप क्या write करेंगे? K. Now let us move to the next question, which is, say the name of the picture and write the ending letter. And this you will write the ending letter for each picture. हर picture का ending letter आप write करेंगे. Means last letter. First picture is of rat. R A T. Rat. R A T. Rat. The ending letter is T. So we will write T in the box. Box में हम T write करेंगे. Next picture is of a car. C A R. Car. So the last letter is R. So box में हम क्या write करेंगे? R. Now let us revise A to Z with one spelling. One word. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for grapes. H for hen. I for ice cream. J for joker. K for kite. L for lion. M for monkey. N for nest. O for owl. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rabbit. S for sun. T for tiger. U for umbrella. V for van. W for watch. X for Xmas tree. Y for yacht. Z for zebra. So, this was all about our English. Let us move to our next section, which is of maths. In this, we will write forward counting. Means you have to continue the counting. Means इसमें आपको simple counting write करनी है. Okay. Like 7 given है, 7 के बाद क्या आएगा? 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Understood? In this way, you will write the forward counting. What you will write? You will write the forward counting in the given space with proper numbers. Okay? 18. 18 is given. After that, what we will write? 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Understood? In this way you will write the forward counting. जितना space दिया है उसके according आप forward counting write करेंगे. Understood? Yeah. Now let us revise number name from 1 to 20. Number names from 1 to 20. O N E 1. T W O 2. T H R E 3. F O U R 4. F I V E 5. S I X 6. S E V E N 7. E I G H T 8. N I N E 9. T E N 10. E L E V E N 11. T W E L V E 12. T H I R T E N 13. F O U R T E N 14. F I F T E N 15. S I X T E N 16. S E V E N T E N 17. E I G H T E N 18. N I N E T E N 19. T W E N T Y 20. So we have read number names from 1 to 20. Let us move to our last section, which is of EVS. The question is, color the picture of submarine. In this you can see a picture of a water transport which is of a submarine. एक वाटर ट्रांसपोर्ट की पिक्चर है जो कि है एक सबमरीन. S U B M A R I N E submarine. So you have to color this picture. Understood? I hope you all have understood this sheet very well. If you still have any kind of doubt related to any question, any topic, any subject, you can ask me. Thank you.